Hey guys, it's Pete from NUTLEY Kia here. I have a certified pre-owned 2016 Kia Sorento EX all-wheel drive V6. In this vehicle, you're going to get a backup camera. Comes with a very easy to use climate control, Bluetooth, cruise control, heated seats, leather, a power driver seat as well. Also, you can see it has the blind spot detection. Only has 25,000 miles on it. It is certified again, so you're going to get the balance of the 10-year, 100,000 mile. Good until 2026 on this car. It is all leather, and it does have a third row. So if you need a vehicle, high occupancy vehicle with leather and some nice features, come down and see Pete at NUTLEY Kia.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.